welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's DIY. I'm so excited and I'm ready to start decorating for Valentine's and everything. So let's get started. Let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I think it's going to be really cute. What you'll need is one of these little heart signs that I hauled from Target's Dollar Spot, and it was $3. And I had that in a haul not long ago. Okay, you'll need one of those. You're gonna need some flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I just chose these pink ones. And then you're gonna need a card, and I just chose one of Dollar Tree's handmade cards. I took my paper cutter and literally cut it right into where it folds. And then I just rounded the edges with a pair of scissors. So you can use any kind of card that you have. You'll need some Mod Podge, and this is the matte. And then you'll need some glitter, and this is just a light pink glitter that I got at Hobby Lobby quite a while ago. You'll need a foam brush and some scissors and a glue gun. So it's really simple, so let's get started and make this really cute project. Okay, I'm gonna plug in my glue gun so it can be heating. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do is just put some Mod Podge around this edge. Now, if you wanted to, you could paint this. I really didn't want to paint it, and I think I'm gonna take this off because I think I'm gonna hang it a little bit differently. Okay, now all we have to do is just put our Mod Podge on, because I want to put some glitter right around this edge. You could do so many different things with this if you wanted. You could paint this. The options are just endless, the possibilities of what you can do with this. But I'm just gonna go kind of like the width of this foam brush, and it's not a really big foam brush, as you can see. And I'm just putting this around the edge so that my glitter will adhere. Okay, now I'm just going to take my glitter and sprinkle it on where I have the Mod Podge. I think this is going to give it a really cute effect. I think it's almost going to look like an icy pink heart. Okay, then we're just gonna tap off the excess, and now this is what we have. I think that's already so cute. Oh my, okay. So I'm just gonna put this over here to dry just a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna take this little ribbon. It's from the Dollar Tree. It really was from Easter last year, but you can use any ribbon that you want. This is 5/8 by 1/8 inch wide, but it really doesn't matter, whatever you want. I'm going to fold it and take this toothpick to push it through. Okay. Then I'm going to figure about how much of this I want. Oh, probably something like that. Cut it at an angle, fold it, put it in the hole and take this toothpick to push it through. Okay. I think this is going to be adorable, okay? Then all I'm gonna do right here is just tie a little knot. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I think I should have cut my ribbon just a little bit longer, but it'll be all right. And you can cut yours longer. Okay, now we can hang it by this, and it's much prettier than what they originally had on it, I think. Okay? Now we can continue to decorate. And I can cut, well, I'll see which side I like the best in a minute. All right, so we have that done. Now all we are gonna do, this is such a simple DIY, like I said, but this is what we have so far, and I think it is adorable. It sort of looks farmhouse a little bit to me. I really like it. Okay, so like I said, I took my card from the Dollar Tree, took my paper cutter, you could use scissors, and just cut where it came right there at the bend. Just cut it apart. Then I took a pair of scissors and just rounded the edges just to soften it, okay? You could even cut out individual parts of this and put it on here. That would be really pretty. Like you could put a true love right here, and then story in the middle, and then never ends. That would be really pretty. But I think I'm just gonna do it like this. So all I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of hot glue on here. It won't take much. And I'm just gonna line it up here at the bottom where I can still see the dip in the heart, and just press it down. And I need to put a little bit on this end. I didn't put it down here. Okay, and then that's what we have so far. I think this is so cute. Oh my, okay. Now what we're going to do is get our roses from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to take them off. I'm going to use 4. I'm going to kind of like snug them in like that. And then I'm going to take 2 more. And snug it like that. And I think that will be adorable, okay? So I'm just going to put some hot glue on this end. Put it right down here. Put a little bit of hot glue on this. Snug it in together just like that. That is so cute. Oh my. Adorable. Okay. Then I'm going to put a little bit of glue right on this one. This is such an easy DIY. It really is. And then I'm going to put some on this one and snug it in as well. This is going to be adorable. But I love it. I think it is so bright and cheerful and just so soft and sweet. And I love the card. It's so pretty. So I'll be back and let you see what it looks like hanging up. Okay guys, here it is hanging. I just took a different color ribbon and made a little bow up there. I ran out of that ribbon that I had there. So, but I'll give you a look close up. It is just so pretty. I love it. I think it is gorgeous. It just looks so bright and happy and very cheerful. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.